The triangle. It's not just a cool design. It's a design for ultimate cooling. Air conditioners don't have to be rectangular anymore. The triangle design allows more air in and more air out. More air in, more airflow. More air out, longer airflow. Wider air discharge. It cools faster, farther, and wider. So cool air reaches you wherever you are. The Triangle, ultimate cooling design.
Design made sublime. LG Article.
Every now and then, a special something redefines the way we live, redefines expectations. Presenting path-breaking radiant cooling from Panasonic. Cools the ceiling and the walls first. Nano G purifies room air automatically. Stunning minimalist design. The future of AC is here. The future is up.
Panasonic.
Presenting Hitachi's iSense technology with the air sleep control innovation designed to provide you with comfortable and uninterrupted sleep during the night. With its infrared sensor, the iSense technology detects human movement during sleep. In case of no active movement, AC increases the thermostat temperature by 1 degree centigrade per hour for 2 hours to ensure comfortable and uninterrupted sleep with maximum energy saving. When you're awake, the sensor detects your active movement and the AC automatically returns to its original set temperature and fan speed setting. So how does the iSense technology benefit you? The iSense air sleep control technology works with your body's sleep cycle and room temperature so that you don't have to wake up to adjust the AC temperature again and again. Hitachi iSense technology for intelligent cooling and optimum energy saving.